Hey guys, so today what me and my brother are gonna do is we're gonna review our Angry Birds that we made. So the Angry Birds that we made are Matilda, Red Bird, Orange Bird, and sorry about that, and Blue Bird. So hopefully you smash the like button and subscribe. And these are all made for my brother.
First up, we have Red Bird. So as you see, we have the beak, the eyes, then we have the side, it's all red, and the bumpy right here. Then the same, it's all the same on this side. We have red, we have bumpy, and then we have, as you see, I made a tail. Next up, we have Matilda. As you see, I made a beak. I made eyes for Matilda. And then we have one white side and another white side. Then we have the back. We have the back of the eyes. We have white here. Next up, we have Blue Bird. As you see, we have a beak, we have eyes, we have sides, blue sides, and then another blue side. Then we have the blue all over here, and then we have the back of the beak. Now we have Orange Bird. So we have the beak, we have the eyes, we have orange sides, we have the other orange side, we have the back of the eyes, and all the other stuff is orange.
Okay, so now we have the piggies that we made, the 8 piggies that we made. So what we're gonna do is we don't have any names because it's 8 piggies, which is a lot. So what we're gonna name them is I don't know. Maybe you guys should comment down below what we should name them. What my brother's gonna do is he's just gonna show you them, but he doesn't have any name for them. So hopefully you guys enjoy these piggies now. The Angry Birds are the birds are finished. Yeah, so now I'm gonna be destroying everything, and my brother says it's fine if I destroy his stuff. So yeah, let's get ready. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay guys, so we just finished the movie. Hopefully you liked our video, and tell us down below if you liked the destroying part more or the making part more. So hopefully you guys subscribe and smash that like button. So bye.
Bye.